You had asked me to do it, and I did it.
Later, India carried out an attack in northwestern Pakistan.
Using just my phone and free CapCut. Hi there. In this course of tutorial, I am going to teach you on how to edit war documentaries in a real and a professional way using just your phone and free CapCut. I will explain everything step by step and from scratch so that you can implement these techniques in your own project and get millions of views. In the end of the video, I have left you an extra bonus. By the way, all the free PNG maps of the whole world and other files are linked below, but it is password protected and the password will be revealed halfway through the video. By the way, we're going to edit this documentary into 2 parts with Scene 1 and Scene 2, so let's get started.
Start with a black background and then tap on Overlay to add the Asia's map. Zoom into the map using your fingers, just pinch and zoom. Here I am increasing the duration of the clips so that they stay longer on the screen. To add text, tap on text, then add the date. Then go to Fonts and search for Prohibition. Once you find it, select it. Then hit Styles and turn the color of the text into black. Lastly, go to Animations and look for Type 2 and set the duration to 1 second. Now reduce the size of the text and place it in the middle top part of the clip like this. Then tap on Overlay and add the highlighter I have provided you in the link below. Place it underneath the text, such as the text is in the middle. Then go to Mask and select Horizontal Mask. Rotate it by 90 degrees. And then drag the line to left so the overlay isn't visible. Then add a keyframe. Go ahead into the timeline and before the text completely appears, move the yellow mask line to the most right. Now tap on Add Overlay and add the incident's picture. I've also added this image in the linked file below. Then go to Remove Background and tap on Auto Removal button. CapCut will do the magic. Resize it using your fingers and place it under the text animation we just created. Now go to Mask and again select the horizontal mask. Then rotate this at -35 degrees and move the mask line to the top right corner, so the image totally disappears. Then add a keyframe. Now go ahead into the timeline and move the yellow mask line to the bottom right. So the image is visible, this move will automatically add a keyframe at that point. Then to smooth things up, tap on this graph button and choose Quad In, so the animation looks smoother. To add more details, tap on Text button, go to Stickers and select this red circle. It is already animated, so we don't need to change anything. Just resize it and place the sticker over the object you want to highlight. And remove the excess part of the sticker by reducing the duration, and I will scale it up a little bit. Now go to the beginning of the clip and tap on Overlay and add a black image. Then scroll right and tap on Layers and drag the black image behind the layer on the front, but make sure it is on top of the base map. Simply resize it and tap on Splice to blend it perfectly. Then reduce the opacity to 65%. And that's it for the Scene 1. For the second scene, we need to clear things up. To do so, select this image and go to Mask. This time add a keyframe just before the clip ends, then go ahead to end of the clip and move the mask line to the upper left corner. It will create this wipe effect. Then choose the base map and add a keyframe just before the text layer ends. Then go some frames ahead and add another keyframe where the text layer ends, and zoom out the map so that both India and Pakistan maps are visible. Now go to the Text tab. Select the text, add a keyframe just before the it ends, then go 5 frames further and scale it down. This will automatically create another keyframe, and this move collectively will create this zoom out effect on the text. Then go to the text highlight overlay and repeat the same, add a keyframe just before where the clip ends, and then zoom out keeping both layers in sync. The animation looks pretty cool. Now go to the Text tab and type in Kashmir to label the location where the incident happened. Then go to Templates and select this one. I have already saved this template for my convenience, but you should be able to find it. Resize the text and place it on the map to locate the incident. Then tap on Overlay and add this PNG map of Jammu and Kashmir. Place it on the map to fit it perfectly. Tap on Splice and reduce the opacity so it's easier to see through the borders. Then tap on Animation and select Fade In, so that the map appears smoothly. Watch this part closely. First, select the base map and add a keyframe at 6 seconds, then move forward and zoom into the map at 7 seconds mark. Now select the Kashmir map and add keyframes at the same points as that of the base map. All good, then go to the second keyframe and resize the Kashmir map to fit in perfectly with the base map. Once done, tap on Splice and increase the opacity to 85%. Now go to the Text tab and delete the parts of the text after 6 seconds mark. Then tap on Overlay and add the attacker's image. Then go to Mask and choose Circle Mask to cut out the image in circle shape and adjust it accordingly. Reduce the size of the image and place it where it needs to be. Then add 3 keyframes, one at the beginning, then 2 others at some distance ahead as I am doing. At the second keyframe, tap on this graph button and choose Rebound Out. Then go back to the first keyframe and reduce of the image like me. It will create this bounce in effect. Then tap on Add Overlay to add the Pakistan map. Resize it so that it fits the base map perfectly. Then go to Layers and send this map to the back of both the image and the Kashmir map. Here the map appears all at once. I need to make it smoother. To do so, tap on Animation and choose Fade In and set the duration to 1 second. Then tap on Text and add the name of the country. Place it at the desired position. Then tap on Styles to change the text color to white. Then go to Animations and search for Typewriter. Select it and set the duration to 0.5 seconds. Here I am increasing the duration of the clip so that it stays longer on screen. Now at around 10-second mark, tap on Add Overlay and add the Indian map. Resize it so it fits the base map perfectly. Then repeat the same process, go to Layers and send this map behind everything else and make required adjustments. Then tap on Animations and select Ink Reveal for this one and increase the duration to 2 seconds. Now go to Text tab and add a new text typing India. Move it to the right and increase the size. Keep it low so that only a part of it is visible in the first place. Now move the cursor to the 11 seconds mark and add keyframes to all the clips one by one. Then move ahead and at 12 seconds mark select the base map and zoom out a little bit. Then select each clip and reduce their sizes to fit in the base map. Start with the map of Kashmir. Then reduce the size of Pakistan map and try to get it attached to the base map. Then Indian map. And lastly, fix the Kashmir map. Here the image is just disappearing at once, so to make it appear smoother, extend the image and then add a keyframe. Add another keyframe at the end of the clip and shrink it down so it appears like this. Now since all the map overlays are sorted out, go to the Text tab. And fix their positions as well. To do so, select the Pakistan text and add one keyframe where the map starts moving, and another keyframe where it becomes static. Then move the text and place it where it was before. And finally repeat the same with the text India. Add keyframes, one in the beginning, and move it, so it looks like it is appearing after the camera zoom out. Increase the duration for this one as well. Here comes the best part. The maps are ready and camera movements appears to be just perfect. We just need to add some drama, so tap on overlay and add this jet plane PNG. Shrink it down as required. Now add one keyframe in the beginning of the clip, then go ahead in the timeline and add another keyframe within 1 second time frame, and at the same point, tap on split and delete the later part. Then keeping the cursor at the second keyframe, move the jet where you want it to be moving. Now to make things smoother, tap on animation and select fade in and reduce the duration to 0.2 seconds. Then hit out and select fade out for the out animation and set the duration to 0.1 seconds. We are almost done. Keep this plane overlay selected, then scroll to the right and duplicate it twice. To keep our timeline organized, I am dragging all the jet plane layers, so they are separate from the rest of the clips. Just do it one by one and place them underneath each other. Now select one of the plane layers, keeping the cursor at the first keyframe. Move it to the right of the first plane. Then go to second keyframe and do the same step, making sure it is in the same position as we had placed it on first place. Then go to the next clip and repeat the same steps, but this time we shall place the plane on the left of the first one. And exactly same step for the second keyframe. Our jets look pretty cool, but we need to add more details to make it look professional. To add the explosion effect, tap on Overlay, and add the clip I have provided in the link below. Here we need to make some changes to this clip before we place it. First of all, go the Remove Background, then tap on Chroma key and select the green background and make these settings. Set the intensity at 35% and all others at 10%. Shrink this layer and place it where you desire to. After you have placed it on your map, you notice that the duration is too long for our animation. To fix, go to Speed and set the speed of this clip to 5x. So the animation is 5 times faster than the actual clip. Drag the clip under all other layers. Then duplicate it twice. Do the same step for the duplicated layers and drag them down. The password is Sid. It helps keep our layers more handy and organized. Now move them one by one and place them on the map relative to the jet planes. The explosion seems to happen over the jets. To fix that, go to Layers and send all the explosion layers to the back of jet plane layers. To add more detail, duplicate the jet layer and move it ahead in the timeline, such that it starts at 14 seconds mark. Adjust its placement. Then move ahead, and here I am moving the jet plane to a new location. Where an Indian plane was hit down, it will automatically create a keyframe. At this point, tap on Split and delete the later part. Then tap on Split and delete the later part. Now go to Animations and this time choose Curtain Close as the out animation. And reduce the duration of this animation to 0.2 seconds. Then duplicate one of these explosion layers. And drag to the point where jet seems to be shot down. I am placing it on the top of jet in such a way that it seems to explode in jet mid-air. Then add 2 keyframes, one at 15-second mark. Then move ahead to the end of the clip and shrink down the clip, so it appears to be falling down and going away from the camera. Your animation is almost ready. Drag your timeline to the beginning and see if it has anything missing. I have just noticed one thing, and that is regarding the colors. So, to make your animation look more eye-catching, tap on Overlay and look for this black image overlay you had added in the first scene. Simply extend its duration so it appears throughout the video. When you think your animation is ready, simply tap on the text and paste your voiceover script I have provided in the link below. Then tap on text-to-speech and select a voice from the huge range of free voiceovers provided in the CapCut. I usually use Marcus for my video tutorials. Simply select it and wait for CapCut to generate the voiceover. On February 14, 2019, an Indian security forces convoy was attacked in Kashmir by a suicide bomber. When everything is ready, just tap on AI Ultra HD and set these adjustments for exporting at highest quality. And you can export this project. And here is how it will look like.
2019, an Indian security forces convoy was attacked in Kashmir by a suicide bomber. He belonged to the Islamic militant group based in Pakistan. 10 days later, India carried out an attack in northwestern Pakistan, and at least one Indian plane was shot down here.
If this tutorial helped you, make sure to watch one of these tutorials as well. It is designed specially for you.